The 2 Tyres Guide to the Dunlop D212 GP Racer Slick. If you're into track days and you want to try slicks, there are loads of options. However, did you know there are 2 types of slick? A motorsport slick, which is the top-end product, and then there are what are commonly called track day slicks. The D212 GP Racer is a track day slick. It's essentially a treadless version of the D212. There's a single medium compound front and either a medium or harder wearing endurance rear. These are not a Mickey Mouse offering, they are more than capable of winning a club race. They're about 30% cheaper than a motorsport slick. They are a direct fitment, exactly the same as a road bike tire, plus they aren't as stiff as some motorsport tires, which can require you to set your bike up to get the best from them. Available in 190 and 200 section rears, these are a good bet for anyone who's fast group track day pace and wants a bit more grip than a treaded track day tire can offer. We hope this guide gave you some useful info. There's more information and owner reviews of this tire on our website, just click the link in the description. See you next time and ride safe.